Oh, there she is. Where's it? Oh, there she is. Oh, she's gone. Oh, there she is. Oh. Tell us about it. What? Are you going to go play hide and seek again? you are goofy.
Who are you playing with?
Who's this? No, not Mimi. Am I Andy? You say Andy. That's close. Did you get it? That would have been the 5th time in like 5 days. What's my name, Sammy? Nope, not quite. Are you gonna get on? Get on there. Here, let's move this. Okay, get on there. Let's go for a ride. Should we take Bunny with us? Okay, let's go. Come on. Uh-oh. Hey, Jack, who's that? Jack, can you excuse us? Should we go get your mom? Let's... Yeah. What? Tell us about it. Tell us about it. Who's this? Who's that? Oh.
Little Bunny
Enough
Poo-Poo.
about Bunny. Yeah. Oh, where'd she go? There she is. Where'd she go? You can follow her. Where she go? There she is. Uh-huh. What else? There she is. There she is. What? Hey, who's that? Who's that? Gina.
That was much clearer than the Andy we got on video.
Yeah. I'm taking that as an Andy, though. I'm counting it. That was 5. Say hi, Gina.
Hi, pretty girl.
Oh, let's see that belly.
Oh.
Oh, come on.
All right.
Woo!
Okay. That's enough.
Bye-bye, Gina.